Now bust it open, let me see you get loose. It's going down for real.
What is up, guys? It's Hyper Beam here. I'm with Andrew.
And today we're going to be doing the Woodwork Challenge.
Let's go. This game is simple. We have to hit the left, the crossbar, and the right post. Let's go. Okay. Just get out of the way, because I don't want to hit you. Good sir.
Your shots aren't even powerful.
They don't need to be powerful if I can have accuracy. That's actually awesome. It just rolled. That was dope. Okay. We're doing 3 shots in a row, so I guess still have to hit the left. Third one.
Going for the left.
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
Gotta go for the left, not the crossbar. Oh, it hit it! It hit it! You heard that? It hit it! I don't know if the camera picked up on that, but it nicked the crossbar. It hardly nicked the crossbar. Now I have to go for the crossbar. Let's go!
Oh! Still going for that!
Time out. But you gotta delete a lot of stuff.
Still going for left. Oh!
Now I have 3 shots to hit the right bar to win.
Oh. I'm gonna hit this left one, alright? Oh!
Just have to hit the right to win.
See what the problem is with this? This is Kun Aguero. He should be able to hit me. Oh! Here we go! Still left. Still left.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Still left. Oh my God. Come on, Manchester United. City.
Oh, what am I doing?
I'm gonna hit this.
Yes!
Oh! God dang it.
Came right back to me too.
Thank you guys for watching. I suck.
Like all these challenges where I face Mike in something, I beat him again. So, see you guys later, and peace.